Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Mastery Lab. I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hey there! Great to see you all again. We've got a really exciting topic for you today.
That's right. Today we're going to learn something that will really help your English sound more natural.
Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button on English Mastery Lab so you don't miss any of our episodes.
Okay, I have to tell you something. This used to happen to me all the time.
Oh yeah? Tell us.
So imagine this. You're watching a movie in English. You understand every single word. You're laughing at the jokes. You're following the story perfectly.
Sounds great so far.
But then someone walks into the room. They say, "Oh, you speak English?" And you open your mouth to answer and nothing. Just silence.
Oh no, the mouth just freezes.
Exactly. Your brain knows the words, but your mouth just won't move.
You know what? That is so common. It has a name. People call it a speaking gap. You understand English, but you can't produce it yet.
Yes, it's like you have a car with a full tank of gas, but somehow the engine won't start.
I love that. The gas is there, the knowledge is there, but something is blocking the engine.
So here's the big question. Why does this happen? And more importantly, how do you fix it today?
Keep watching, because that's exactly what we're going to show you. Today, we are going to give you 5 powerful fixes. These are real, practical things you can do right now.
Not next week, not someday, today.
We'll explain why your mouth freezes, and then we'll show you exactly how to unfreeze it.
Step by step, easy to follow, promise.
And here's your first challenge. Comment yes below if this has ever happened to you. You understood English, but your mouth just wouldn't move.
Come on, be honest. We know you're out there.
We read every comment, so drop that yes down below. Okay, let's go. Tip number 1 is called You Learned English with Your Eyes, Not Your Mouth.
Ooh, that is so true.
Most people study English by reading or watching videos or doing grammar exercises.
Right, very eye-focused learning.
But speaking is a physical skill. It's like riding a bike. You can read 100 books about bikes, but until you actually get on one, you'll fall.
Oh, that's such a great comparison. Reading about writing is not the same as writing.
Exactly. Your mouth needs practice. Your tongue, your lips, your breath all need training.
So what should people do?
Start speaking out loud every single day, even just for 5 minutes, even if no one is listening. Talk to yourself. Talk to your mirror. Talk to your cat.
Yes, your cat won't judge you.
Your mouth needs reps, like going to the gym. More reps, more strength.
More reps, more strength. I love that.
Tip number 2, your brain is stuck in translate mode.
Ooh, this one is a big one.
When you want to speak English, what do you do first? Most learners think in their own language first, then they translate it into English, then they try to say it.
And by that time, the moment is gone, right?
Exactly. It's too slow. Imagine ordering food at a restaurant. You think in your language, translate, then speak. The waiter's already walking away.
That's so true. That's so stressful.
The fix is to start thinking in small English chunks, not perfect sentences, just small pieces.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Instead of building a full sentence, just say the first chunk that comes, like, I think, or in my opinion, or, well, the thing is.
Oh, so you start speaking while your brain catches up.
Yes, you keep your mouth moving and the rest follows.
Keep your mouth moving and the rest follows. I'm going to remember that.
Hey everyone, try it right now. Say out loud, I think English is, and just finish the sentence. Anything. Go.
Even if it's, I think English is hard sometimes. That counts.
Okay, tip 3. This one surprises a lot of people. It's called You're Afraid of Sounding Stupid.
Yeah. Feelings are a big part of this.
This is actually the number 1 reason most people freeze. Not lack of vocabulary, not lack of grammar. Fear.
The fear of making a mistake, the fear of sounding funny, the fear of someone laughing at you.
And here's something surprising. Even native speakers feel nervous sometimes. Even confident people mess up words.
Wait, really?
All the time. Everyone stumbles. Everyone says, and. That is completely normal.
So the goal is not to speak perfectly.
Never. The goal is to be understood. There is a huge difference.
That's so freeing to hear.
Think of it this way. If you fall off a bike, do you give up forever?
No, you get back on.
Same with speaking. Make the mistake, feel the awkward, then get back on.
Make the mistake, feel the awkward, get back on. Write that down, everyone.
And here's the beautiful truth. The people around you, though, they're not judging you. They're impressed you're trying.
Oh, that is so true. So, so true.
Moving on. Tip 4 is called You Don't Have Enough Spoken Sentences in Your Muscle Memory.
Muscle memory? Isn't that a sports thing?
It works for speaking, too. Muscle memory means your body knows what to do automatically, without thinking.
Like a tennis player hitting a ball. They don't think, they just swing.
Exactly. And when you speak English, you want certain phrases to come out automatically, without translating, without thinking.
So how do you build that?
You practice set phrases over and over. Things like, that's a good point, or I'm not sure, but I think, or could you say that again, please?
Oh, those are so useful.
Yes, learn them, repeat them, say them in the shower, say them while you cook, say them walking to work.
So they become automatic.
So automatic that they come out before you even think. That's the goal.
Okay, everyone, here's a fun challenge. Pick one phrase from today. Practice it 10 times right now, out loud, for real.
10 times isn't a lot, but it starts the muscle memory, and that changes everything. And here's our final tip, tip 5. This one is called You're Waiting Until You're Ready.
Oh, guilty.
So many learners say, I'll speak when my English is better. I'll try when I feel more confident. I'll start when I know more words.
But that day never comes, does it?
Never, because here's the secret. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. It comes from speaking.
Say that again. That's important.
Confidence doesn't come before speaking. It comes from speaking.
You speak first, then confidence grows, not the other way around.
Think of it like jumping into a pool. You can stand at the edge forever. The water will always feel cold until you jump.
And once you're in, it's fine.
Exactly. The jump is the scary part, but once you're in, you're swimming.
So stop waiting. Jump in. Start speaking today, even badly.
Especially badly. Bad speaking today becomes good speaking tomorrow.
Bad speaking today becomes good speaking tomorrow. I love that so much. Okay, everyone, let's do a quick recap. Here's what we covered today. Number 1, your mouth needs physical practice. Speak out loud every day, even alone.
Your cat is waiting for the conversation.
Number 2, stop translating in your head. Start speaking in small English chunks.
Keep your mouth moving, the rest follows.
Number 3, let go of the fear of mistakes. The goal is to be understood, not to be perfect.
Everyone stumbles, everyone says that is normal.
Number 4, build muscle memory with set phrases. Repeat them until they come out automatically.
10 reps a day, small but powerful.
And number 5, stop waiting until you're ready. Confidence comes from speaking, not before it.
Jump in. The water's fine once you're in.
5 tips, all of them doable, starting today.
Now here's your comment question for today. Which tip hit you the hardest? Which one felt like, yes, that's me?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to know. We read every single one.
And if this video helped you even a little, please share it with a friend who's learning English. You might change their whole journey.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Mastery Lab. We drop new episodes every week, just for you.
You are not behind. You are not too slow. You are learning, and that is everything.
Keep going. We believe in you. See it in the next one.
See you soon.